Number 11. Which expression is equivalent to q squared minus 16? Now, the first thing you need to realize about this expression is that it doesn't require the parentheses. So q squared minus 16 is the same thing as q squared minus 16 with parentheses. The second thing to realize is that this is a special polynomial. It is actually a difference, meaning subtraction, of two perfect squares. Q squared is perfect and 16 is perfect. So if you recall how to factor this, it would be q times q, okay, plus and minus, and then 16 would be 4 times 4. So that would be the correct answer, meaning C. Now, if you've forgotten the difference of perfect squares, you could have still figured this answer out by multiplying these back. So let's start with A. If we had multiplied q minus 4 squared, this literally means q minus 4 times q minus 4. That's what q minus 4 squared means. Then you would distribute. Q times q is q squared. Q times negative 4 is negative 4q. Negative 4 times q is negative 4q. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, which is going to leave you with q squared minus 8q plus 16, which is not q squared minus 16. So A is not correct. Now B, well, there's no multiplying to do there. Q squared minus 4q minus 16, that doesn't equal q squared minus 16. So we can go ahead and mark out B. There's no work to show on that one. When we get to C, if we were to multiply q plus 4 times q minus 4, q times q is q squared, q minus 4 is minus 4q, 4 times q is positive 4q, and 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. And when you clean this up, collect like terms, notice the middle terms become 0. So we're left with q squared minus 16, telling us that C would be a good answer here. Now let's look at D just to make sure we can eliminate it. So q minus 8 times q plus 2. Again, if you were to distribute, that's q squared plus 2q minus 8q minus 16. And again, when you look at those middle terms, we're left with a negative 6q minus 16, which again, we don't have a middle term here. So C is the correct answer.